You've probably heard about Claude AI, one of the biggest competitors to ChatGPT. But what exactly is Claude? What can it do, and should you use it? In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about Claude AI. What is Claude AI? Claude is an advanced AI chatbot created by the company Anthropic. It is designed to help with writing, coding, research, problem solving, and conversations, just like other AI assistants. What can Claude AI do? Claude AI can help you with writing essays, scripts, and emails, explaining difficult topics, coding and debugging, summarizing documents, brainstorming ideas. It's especially known for handling very long text and documents better than many AI tools. Claude versus other AI tools. Claude focuses more on safe responses, detailed explanations, handling large files, natural conversation style. Some users prefer it for research and long writing tasks. Is Claude free? Claude has a free version with limits and paid plans that offer more usage and advanced models. Who should use Claude? Claude is great for students, content creators, researchers, programmers, anyone needing writing help. Claude AI is one of the most powerful AI tools today, especially for writing and research. If you want more AI tutorials, subscribe for upcoming videos.